I'm on the Venn diagram colonial comparison assignment. I'm on the bottom of the first page. If you scroll down there, you're going to see, if you're not distracted by this, which one student today told me I look like a unicorn, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. But if you're not distracted by my hair and you scroll down to the bottom of the Venn diagram colonial comparison, that's what it looks like on the first page. This is what we're going to end up making, and we're going to be using all of our knowledge to create something inside of this Venn diagram. Now, the way that a Venn diagram works is we have our three things: middle, southern, and New England colonies. These are exclusively in this outer portion of our circle. But we'll see that there's this area of overlap where my two circles overlap. This is the bottom edge of my New England circle, and this is the top edge of my southern circle. That means everything in here is shared between the southern and the New England colonies. And we're going to be trying to find two things in each of the colonies. And what we're trying to find is the information from our comparison chart. So if I'm looking on my comparison chart, I can see right off the bat that I've got fertile soil in both. Going down to my Venn diagram, middle colonies, southern colonies, where the middle and the southern overlap. So right here is where I would write down, I'm just going to do fertile soil. You'll, of course, write the whole thing, but this is going to be a challenge to do for me. If I'm looking here too, I can find that some of these might be hidden. Like here's farming on the economy side for my middle colonies, and here's farming on the geography side for my New England. Can I still share it? I totally can, and that would go southern New England. That would go in this shared section. Now, if it's not shared by anything else, maybe it just says, for example, long cold winters. Nope, not there, not there. That means New England. I would just put it into this part where it's exclusive to New England. This is your Venn diagram activity. After we complete this, we'll have two things in each of our sections, and that will be super keen for us to then get ready to do our paragraph. But our first step is to use our chart and find two things for each of those sections.